so today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Ipsy May Glam Bag Plus. I just got this in the mail a few hours ago, and if you guys didn't know, I already did my base box for BoxyCharm here a few days ago, so I'll have it here at the end of this video. I am still waiting on another BoxyCharm and my BoxyCharm Premium. So I know that you guys have seen me do unboxings for Ipsy for a very long time now, and I did used to do like the 3 tiers, but I've talked about this in numerous videos. I just have found that through all 3 subscriptions that Ipsy has to offer, the Glam Bag Plus has to be by far my favorite one that they've ever done. It just is, in my opinion, the most consistent when it comes to Glam Bags Plus for the price point and what I enjoy out of the 3 boxes. So we're gonna go ahead and get just diving into it. There really isn't much else to say. You guys know I always put the information about the box down below in case you guys want to check it out, and that's what we're gonna do. So here is the card, and this month's theme says Ipsy, get that glow. And then on the back it just says 5/21, save the date. And it has $3 price of deluxe size samples. I think I've only done 1 add-on, and it was like a Huda Beauty palette. But if you guys haven't done add-ons yet, definitely check it out. Like, they have some great deals on there. The first thing I have here is the bag. Oh, this is a cute bag. Very spring-like. I love it. Look, it matches my nails. You guys, I didn't put on new nails yet, so I just decided to paint them, and my daughter had this like yellow nail polish. And so I was like, oh, I guess I'll give it a shot. I didn't have a white base to put underneath it to make it like super opaque. But my daughter made fun of me. She was like, oh, mommy, I love your nails. And I was like, thanks. And she's like, it's not like your normal mom color. And I was like, what is that supposed to mean? And she's like, you know, because you like skin colors. I was like, you mean like nude? And she's like, yeah, you like the boring colors. I was like, give me that yellow. So now I'm determined to prove to her that I'm gonna wear like all these crazy fun colors. But I mean, this is, yeah, the most like outrageous color I've chosen in a very long time. Normally I go towards like mauves and nudes. I mean, she's totally right, but it's just a little heartbreaking to hear it from somebody else. So anyways, this is the bag. It's got a little fringe here, and on the inside just says Ipsy, and then it's really cute. It's got some like little, it looks like it's like lined with silver confetti on the inside. It's actually a really cute little bag. So now we're moving into the very first thing. This is called the Mud Masky, and this is an after mask vitamin serum. It is supposed to be extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, and nourishing. And it does say that you can use it day or night, so that's awesome. All right, next up we have is by Tarte. These are the Tarte lip paints. I do have a few already, and I really do love their lip paint colors. Ooh, I like this color. It's like a nice chocolate brown. I like the smell too. So there it is right there. I love it. I actually really like this color. I could definitely see myself wearing this color. Next up we have is by Galactic. I believe this is, you know, part of the whole glow thing. But this is the Skin Glow Duo. And I actually don't think I own a highlighter from Galactic. I own some other stuff from them, but not a highlighter. So this is a duo. So there you have it. I believe one's like a blush and one's a highlighter. Am I wrong? It's like a blush highlighter duo. So there you have the highlighter and blush. I will say it's pretty. Like, it's really soft and creamy. I don't have a whole lot of experience with like cream blushes or cream highlighters. I have liquid highlighters, but not cream highlighters. I just have never preferred cream blushes, only because I've ever found that anytime I would wear a cream blush, it would like splotch up on me and it would just look bad throughout the day. Like, it would not set well on my skin. But I think I want to try out more cream blushes and try different formulas. Maybe I'm thinking that just the ones I tried in general just were really crappy and it just didn't sit well with my skin, but I'll give it a shot when we do our first impressions. And if you guys let me know how you guys like to apply them, that way I can take into consideration, because I am very new to cream blushes. I'm not new to like cream highlights, like I know how to do that, but it's the cream blushes that I'm very concerned. It was just the issue I had was like, just some of the cream blushes that I had in my collection when I was trying to wear them, I think they were just too greasy, or they would just like throughout the day, they would get splotchy and you would see like it would be very patchy on my skin. And I would set it, but it just never looked great on me. So now we're gonna move into this, which is by Wander Beauty. I knew it was Wander Beauty because of the packaging, but what is this? The Frame Your Face Precise Eyebrow Gel. Oh, nice. Oh my gosh, that's like the smallest little thing I've ever seen. Look at that. Look at the little wand. It's like super tiny. Oh, I actually didn't set my brows today. I'm surprised they're still on. Oh, I like that. I like how small that is. Ooh. I really loved how that defined my eyebrows. Like, I am really impressed with that. Okay, last up we have is this here, which is the Mimosa Moment by Colored Rain. This is an eyeshadow palette. All right, so here's the eyeshadow palette. Oh, I was not expecting this palette at all. I don't know why, but I think I was expecting something with like pops of color, and I don't know what I was thinking, but I was not expecting a neutral palette. Yeah, so here you have it. You have all 6 shades right here. You got a nice distribution between mattes and shimmers. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes, 2 metallic shades, and I'm like impressed. So that is my box. It is worth $25, and I will say this month I definitely think it was really worth the $25 price point. I'm very pleased with everything I got in my box. I really do love this brow gel. Like, I just love the way that it enhanced my brows, especially like the Tarte lip paint. I'm excited that they gave me a color that I would wear and that I enjoy. The Colored Rain palette, a very neutral, easy, you know, pretty palette. And then, you know, the highlighter, I'm interested to see, to try it out and see how it works. So that box retails for $25. If you guys are expecting to get your boxes and you guys have already seen your sneak peeks, let me know down below what you're supposed to be getting and if you were excited about this month's box or not. And if you guys are getting the ultimate, let me know down below what you're supposed to be getting in that box, and I'm excited to hear about that. So thank you again for watching. I hope to see you guys all in my next video. And if you guys are new to my channel, I hope you guys will take the time to subscribe down below. Hit that subscribe button, it's free, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out a lot. Thank you all so much for being a part of my family, and thank you all so much for supporting my channel, and I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys are staying safe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. I do upload Sunday through Thursday at 8 a.m., and I will talk to you then. Bye.